Hello and welcome to the Tesla Nano Coatings Teslan 811 CNT pit filler mixing video. Tesla Nano Coatings has developed a first of its kind pit filler which incorporates CNTs into the composite pit filler material. In doing this, Tesla has found a way to significantly improve the pit filler's adhesion and tensile strength properties. In this photograph, you can see that even when the material is applied at 40 mils over a uniformly blasted surface without any pits, the adhesion value consistently resulted in adhesion pull values of nearly 4,000 psi, with the failure plane being a glue failure. Tesla also applied its CNT pit filler to previously coated surfaces and found that the adhesion values exceeded 2,500 psi, with the failure plane predominantly glue. Tesla's Nano Pit Filler is a 100% volume solids product and is VOC free. It has been formulated for easy tooling and placement.
Before beginning your pit filling project with the Teslan 811 CNT pit filler, you want to make sure you have the following items ready. First is going to be the actual Teslan 811 CNT pit filler material that's going to come in a dual cartridge. You're also going to need the Teslan manual dispensing gun. You want to have an artist palette or some type of non-porous surface by which you'll mix the material on once it's dispensed, and then some type of actual mixing tool.
To begin, remove the cartridge retaining nut, the compression disc, and the end cap from the cartridge. Do not dispose of these parts as they'll be used to reseal the cartridge later. Prior to inserting the 811 cartridge into the manual dispensing gun, you'll first depress the piston rod release and then retract the piston rod breech. Insert the 811 cartridge into the manual dispensing gun housing and begin dispensing even ribbon portions of 811 onto a plastic non-porous surface. When sufficient material has been dispensed, depress the thumb release and retract the rod to free the push disc and scrape the material in order to have a clean break. The next step is to mix and blend the two components together using a figure eight and sweeping motion until you have a uniform consistency and uniform color. Continue blending and mixing the two components until it is streak-free and the material is pliable. To properly place the pit filler material, begin with a properly prepared surface. Tesla recommends an ACE2 SP10 near white cleanliness level, or an ISO SA 2.5. Once the cleanliness level has been achieved, you begin by applying the material to the surface using a flat applicator. Continue to apply material to the pitted surface in order to fill in the pits, scraping the excess material away until you have a smooth and flush surface. Tesla also recommends blending and smoothing the transition zone that occurs between the pit filler material and the existing surface. After the project has been completed and material is still in the cartridges, you can save the remaining material for future use by following these steps. Depress the thumb release and retract the rod to free the push disc and remove the Teslan 811 cartridge set. Clean excess material from the cartridge nozzle and then reinsert the end cap into the proper components, paying close attention to which side is the A side and which side is the B side. The next step is to replace the compression disc with the last step being a reattachment of the end cap. The 811 cartridge set can now be stored for later reuse on another project. Please contact Tesla Nanocoatings with any questions regarding the 811 pit filler product or for its use under other types of coatings.